It's been a fun boating season, but unfortunately it's time to prepare for winter. The first task is to change the engine oil. The required tools include an oil extractor, new oil and oil filters, plastic zip-top bags, rags, and gloves. Also a funnel and a filter wrench are required. Step 1. Ensure there is enough of the old, dirty oil so the engine can be started in order to warm the oil to make extraction easier. Step 2. Ensure there is enough extraction tubing to reach the oil pan. Step 3. Replace the dipstick, turn on the blowers, and start the engine. Allow the engine to reach operating temperature, usually 10 to 15 minutes. After turning off the engine, I like to check the temperature of the exhaust manifolds and elbows as a way to check the effectiveness of the raw water cooling system. Step 4. Extract the old oil using an oil extractor pump. Insert the oil extraction tube and connect the pump to the battery. Remove the dipstick and set aside. Insert the extraction tubing until it touches the bottom, then pull it out about half of an inch. Turn on the extraction pump and make sure the oil is being pumped out of the engine. Extraction can take a few minutes to complete. While waiting, replace the oil filter by removing the old one. Use a zip-top bag to catch any spilt oil. Be sure to remove the old oil filter gasket. Place in a bag, then seal it. Write the date on the new filter. Apply a small amount of new oil to the gasket. Screw on the new filter and tighten by hand. Next, remove the oil fill cap and use a funnel to slowly pour in the new oil. Add a few quarts and then wait a few minutes before checking the oil level using the dipstick. Add oil until the dipstick indicates full. Step 7. Replace the fill cap and dipstick. Then turn on the blowers, start the engine, and check for leaks. Let the engine run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. If there are no leaks, replace the floor and repeat this process for the other engine.